Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, ride and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch it.
Hey y'all, what's up? So I'm just getting back from Starbucks. As you can see, you know, in the beginning, the little intro, I had a little b-roll of Starbucks, of me going to Starbucks. But I am gonna try 6 different matchas and let y'all know which is the best to get at Starbucks. I went to Starbucks and I ordered 6 different kind of matchas. So this is here's one, and here's another one, and we're gonna be trying it out so we can like figure this thing out, because I know people are trying to like get into matcha and, you know, drink matcha because they see all the people on Instagram and all the people on YouTube with the matcha, but they don't know if it's gonna taste good or not. So I'm here to try out these matchas and give y'all the tea on which matcha to try. Okay, so like I said, we are going to be trying out matcha today, and if you are interested in seeing what the best way is to order matcha at Starbucks, then go ahead and keep on watching this video. All right, so the first matcha that we are going to try out is going to be a pink drink with vanilla sweet cream cold foam and a scoop of the matcha powder inside of the cold foam. This is what it looks like. It looks a little bit scary. It did look better than this when I first purchased it from Starbucks, and I'll insert a picture. But it's supposed to give off that like Cosmo and Wanda type of vibe. I feel like this is going to be my favorite because I love pink drinks. Like, I literally love pink drinks. This look a little scary. Like it got worms or something in it. Oh my gosh, I'm scared, y'all. All right, let's try it. Oh, that's good, y'all. But like I said, I don't know if it's because I love the pink drink already. I mean, it tastes, you could taste the matcha in it, but it tastes like a regular pink drink. That's good, y'all. That is good. So this one, I'm gonna rate this one maybe like a, we're gonna rate this an 8.5 out of 10. Yeah, we're gonna rate this an 8.5 out of 10. Ooh, so good. Ooh, this is good. All right, so the next one that we're gonna try is gonna be the iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of vanilla, almond milk, and vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Now, usually I with oat milk, but this Starbucks did not have oat milk, and you don't necessarily have to get oat milk, almond milk. You can get regular milk. It just depends on, you know, what you're into. But I usually get it with oat milk. They didn't have it, so we got almond milk. But I can drink it with, you know, regular milk as well. But yeah. That's good. Really good. One thing I like about Starbucks matcha is it's sweet, but it's not super sweet. Like, I had Dunkin' Donuts matcha and that shit was nasty. Like, it was too sweet. So this is not that sweet, even with the 2 pumps of vanilla in it. It's just okay. I give this one maybe like a 6 out of 10. So yeah. Now, the next one is the iced matcha latte with almond milk, 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup, and vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Ooh, let's try this. This one kind of tastes like a graham cracker, but not as sweet as a graham cracker. Let me see. Maybe if I stir it around a little bit more at the bottom. Yeah, that one tastes like a graham cracker. That's good. That's really good. I give this one a 7 out of 10. Yeah, 7 out of 10. Now this next one, ooh, y'all, I'm so scared to try this one. This is the iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of chai. Iced matcha with 2 pumps of chai. Hopefully I can see it, because I don't know if my camera is zooming in or not. Oh, let me stir this one around, y'all. I'm so scared to try this one, because I never had chai before. They say chai, it tastes like cinnamon. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, y'all, I'm scared. Okay. Not bad. It kind of tastes like that one with the 2 pumps of brown sugar syrup in it, but a little bit sweeter. This one tastes good. I give this one a 7 out of 10 too. A 7 out of 10. Now I'm real excited about this next one because they have the toffee nut syrup now, and I heard that the toffee nut syrup is so good. So this is my first time trying this one. This is the iced matcha green tea latte with almond milk and 2 pumps of toffee nut. So,
Oh hell, oh no,
oh no. It ain't bad, but it ain't something that I would like get. Girl, bye. This toffee nut tastes like popcorn or something. Popcorn in liquid form. That ain't something I'm trying to. That ain't something I'm into. Why I keep drinking it though, y'all? Nah. No way. No way. Now this last one is going to be the iced matcha latte with 1 pump of toffee nut syrup, 1 pump of white mocha, and vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Now I'm kind of scared because that toffee wasn't that good, but I don't know if it'll taste a little bit better because it got the white mocha. Ooh. Ooh. That's good. That's good. I think I like it. I think I'm going to start getting my matcha with regular milk, because I want to say this is the one with the regular milk, and I really like this taste. Like, and I drink regular milk. The only reason why I was getting the oat milk is because it sounds fancy. Like,
can I have an iced matcha latte with oat milk and 2 pumps of vanilla sweet cream cold foam? Or 2 pumps of vanilla?
like that was the only reason why I was getting the oat milk, because it sound better. Like, and maybe these drinks would taste better with the oat milk. I don't know, but that toffee nut syrup, that one that I just tried before, this one is enough for me. But this one is pretty good. This one is really good. Really, really good. I think the toffee nut and the white chocolate mocha kind of complements each other. I think this might be the one. Yeah. I really like this one. This might be the one. So, if I had to give y'all a order of which one is the best and which one is the worst, coming in at number 1, it would definitely be this one that I'm drinking right now, which is the iced matcha latte with 1 pump of toffee nut syrup, 1 pump of white mocha, and the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. This one is so good. I didn't rate this one for y'all, but I definitely give this one a 10 out of 10. This is probably my favorite, and this is probably the way that I'm going to order the matcha from here on out, because this is really good. This is really, really good. It tastes like a sugar cookie or something. Like, I really love this one. Then I would do the pink drink. That would be the next one. The pink drink with the vanilla sweet cream cold foam and the scoop of matcha inside. That would be number 2. Really, really good. This is really, really good. This one tastes like strawberries and cream. Real good. Then coming in at number 3, Geneiah, not 2, 3. Coming in at number 3 would be the one with the brown sugar syrup in it. Yeah. The iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of brown sugar, almond milk, and sweet vanilla cream cold foam. So that would be number 3. Really good. And then number 4 will probably be, what's this one? Number 4 would be the iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of vanilla, almond milk, and vanilla sweet cream cold foam. Coming in at number 5, it would be the iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of chai. And then coming in dead last is going to be the 2 pumps of toffee nut syrup. That one was like horrible. I didn't like that one at all. So yeah, those are the 6 drinks that I tried from Starbucks, and I hope that really helped y'all out a lot, because like I said, I know a lot of people have been trying to get into matcha and wanting to try matcha but don't really know how it tastes. And when they see green, they think vegetable. Like, I know when I see green, I think vegetable. But it doesn't taste like vegetable. Matcha is pretty sweet. And yeah, like I said, I hope this helped y'all out, figure out what kind of matcha y'all want to drink, and give y'all some ideas. So that is going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on your post notifications so that you know every time I'm uploading content. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram at alleyes_GG for all of my pictures and content as well. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.